Wise can't send money. Fix. Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to fix the issue when Wise can't send money. Step 1, check verification. Make sure your Wise account is fully verified. Step 2, check your payment method. Confirm you have enough balance and your card or bank account is working. Step 3, review recipient details. Double check bank details and supported currencies. Step 4, check limits. Large transfers may require extra checks or split payments. Step 5, restart or update the app. App glitches can block transfers temporarily. Step 6, contact Y support. If nothing works, contact Y support in the app. Tips: new recipients may take longer, card payments are faster, and always save error screenshots. And that's it. You now know how to fix it when Wise can't send money. Thank you for watching.